Forever, never, never, never. Forever.
I just went to St.Regis. I got my 14th floor room. Okay guys, definitely the best room I've ever had. It comes very close to the one in Vietnam, which I was also in the Marriott one, the JV Marriott. Let's show you around. Entrance is big. Look at this huge bathroom with 2 separate rooms and 2 beds. I could earlier check in. They had no big bed, so I could take that one. And look at the view. Wow.
Forever, never, never, never. Forever.
Connection to the sea, but a shining beacon of ambition and innovation that can be found in the Arab world. And awe-inspiring journey that brings the story of Al Jazeera to life for the first time.
Actually in KYMA beach, and as you can see it's almost empty, so I'm enjoying the beautiful private beach with the Maldives sand. Look at this, it's white sand. You remember the beautiful Maldives? So strange that they brought the sand here. But anyway, I'm really enjoying it here, it's great. They are so kind and so helpful. And what else? It was a complimentary offer, so I could get here for free with the shuttle as well. I have only 1 hour here, and after that I need to travel back to the hotel for catching my flight. And getting home again after 3 weeks traveling. So today evening I will sleep in my bed. Looking forward to do that. 3 weeks traveling, it's exhausting. I really enjoyed every second. What can I say? To sum this up, the trip was amazing. First week working, second week half working, but the other half we had enjoyed the north of India. Jaipur was stunning. Taj Mahal was the highlight, and Delhi was quite impressive. They have done, and to Dubai, all in all, crazy city. But it is like you brought Saudi Arabia and Las Vegas together and make a child. Because you have the Muslim culture, but you have also the freakiness of the Americans with just do what they want with the money. Dubai, it's a great place to go, to relax, to just be a child again. But what here for money flows, it's a very expensive city. But I can say it's worth to see once.